I'm the CEO and founder of Light and Dog Initiative. We are based in Madare, Nairobi. And this is our third day in Nyamira County, and we are doing this in conjunction with the Morara Foundation. And we've been able to screen so far over 1,500 people since we began, and we've seen the need here. We've gone to different counties. We've been able to screen up to 17,000 people up from July, and we've never seen such a need for people to see clearly. Because where we go, we're always having like 3 to 10% people needing the vision glasses, but here, over 80% of people, they need these vision glasses. So we are seeing the real need in the ground, and we are calling on stakeholders to come and be able to make this possible. And we thank those two foundations for making this possible for us to be in Nyamira County, and we are planning for a bigger one next year so that we can be able to reach even different sub-county in this region. We'll be here for 5 days. We're going to finish on Friday, then we're going to plan again and see if we can come back in February and be able to bring doctors on board and even do cataracts on the ground. Yeah, I've been walking around and I've been asking what could be the reason for this, and I've heard that most people are using the charcoal, and they also are not well ventilated, and most of this is caused by environmental factors, and some of it is just because there is no this how do you call it? We don't have people who are training people or blessing people in ways they can be able to prevent some of these things. Because we have been able to see people who are blind, and some of this blindness could have been able to be prevented just by having care and people taking care of themselves, and people being informed on ways they can be able to take care of their eyes. So we call upon stakeholders to continue teaching people and training people in ways they can be able to prevent this preventable blindness.
Apiemi, Yorende watu wachaiga na wami kubati as free air checking as na murocha abantu bakira abantu obulato kwa maiso lero ne tukuria gatatu yorende bono mapema lakini akolanga lero namba nechebe eko garaba ndubere just bono asebono ya tuti bakira ngefana
na njia kwa kuikani murubiri mu akili siasa nke
abana abantu banga abanyagitari abatuwarete n'abasanzwe bono tu abanyagitari n'abantu bacane gite bagacha baje kubakora ngene injira yo kugipaka ayana watu iborere ana watu kinene ababara ayana abantu banga abandi n'abayibori bayito abandi n'abasubasi bandi n'abantu bandi ngene injira ye robo akera abantu bamito ngambiyemo abana inchi banyamira ibintu batagete services chitaiko. Otherwise banyendi litinyagetari cheito chiarenge equipped kuya bakubweni kuya ngambari yari gabono na baichirega ye problem neringa services onye chiro chichi no batebye county government yeito na tuguaterane teiga tora kenye mepa
Lucas Kentomecha nigo narure atikenya ya township gaiga cooperative 61 ogo chakwa naiga nigo najira sengenje kuweni kero twigete tangazo na umushimi wa resource Douglas amona umuseneta to tokanyere to gocha Philomene Apiemi nagenda ko na obuweni bwa bosa na injinga sukigunga kitigangene na inje nyoro obuweni kera nimba tumutando kwa maiso nimba tumutando kwesukali na tebanga kero kenda no ndabenere bono gento nakumirie injira abantu baikiraiga ani abantu batandikita abantu barwade bari asiti nyumba umushimi wa Apiemi na umushimi wa Douglas tiganya saba sini ikiagera kimwa tokoreire kabutotinga nege tukiengeza naro sabanga nyasaba konye usakwira jikura murato konye mono gwetania aina runabwa
asama letango Douglas donc serisosa rero tule litukolia gatatu yo kora hai medical camp yega turasinya iricha ase kanisa ya PH nyegetali ya yo nyegetali eno twachira abantu baitu babwene wa maiso bakorwa ice cleaning you takere birora you want issues tagete pata treatment averiva jase nyeketari yabanta bako patinete na Bromo Lions Hospital na Light on Hope Initiatives iri tebanya kuwa faktika seye nere tubadere teno muwakiri tele mwana Apiemi Foundation tutaita bantu baitu banyoro wetu kuwayi okubwene kwafuri inde barwari wa maisu erinde na propanya kuno mwanya bantu basically we are doing it for free and that's all for this area siasa tunabara itutumile enga tutumile na sai na nyasa kwa bantu baitu ili to give back to the community ono na ina wachi abara ibai tu ale drebinde na baroki ba nyamba bwategende bangoleto odere yokorwa nionde na baroki bakonya bantu ikina tita ito nyo gusaba de kaunti ya Nyamira bwateranse na baroki kabisa para segasi elinde tunyako bakonya abanda baitu bajande kitamaiso na baroki banyana ko
Mheshimiwa eneli tukolia gatatu day 3 na mwe 3 kana kimaro enambe nene yaba bantu bawe soke na bantu nam
chena kumirie gako era na manyete rita na bantu itu na bawe ta maiso para mangika ekoro na bono igora skole kali maburu na made ya Jerus abantu babe doba 1000 barenga bange sana na lero na rora bantu bange gaiga asinya iricha abro bara abe almost 1000 na bagende to goje kondira era na ndali ya oka unabono kwenda rika sore PH na ina mara baba ai kwasa sana nengeroro go expect abantu bange sana andora abantu bange bagene na nda banyore na nda bago
kabisa kabisa
Igona tirasi iri kwa paisi kidi korno
anga iwacha
gana cha gai ga uo asi moja kitali baitu yo kituri sosa yem
namba 63 namba 63 abantu bakweva free ai clinic chache taro musene toikira ule magagana kwanza hata usinja bwana walisosa na Apiemi na bakerebia na nibo bako ndra kwa ndio tuwao tunatoka chapa bachora iga moment ya mo ya mo free ai clinic by the way tunanjina na bwata basina ona achira na koli aro ndo chana mbo kwa nowadays ni ba sabi rono wote Apiemi no choro kira tara people na kwa social media ko sajia kana wewe tansa ero video direct ne moyo kuchora lisosa mate binte politics yao nyache chiko ro kwa kwa wastiri mo kuchora lakini choko kare kwa meta full towns